from what you have heard, Palais has come to help you to go through the process that the law says you must go through so government can give you deed for your customary land for Quikon Clan. Is that a good idea? Do you want to go along with it? Yeah! Good. Like after the war, every time in our office, we get complaints from them issues, palava all over. And what is the cause? These are those causes that now people will be aware. When you go home, I think you'll be able to think of it and embrace program as such that will give you eye opening. That before we get this land, we're supposed to pass through this process or these processes. So, on behalf of the Southern District and also the government, the local authority, you people are welcome. You people, we appreciate you people. We will be our doors open. We will work with you people so that this thing can be realized.
I'm happy for the people to come. One land beneath to bring trouble.
The important is to follow our own area for the deal for the Quikon area. So it's necessary for everyone of us. We are living people.
If you live somewhere, we all know government have power over that place. Any hour they can use it. But whenever government help us to get it or the NGO, we pray for them that God give them the more opportunity to do more than this. So the waterfall is been in the bush. We've been bringing people to see because of what one key problem is that we are not having the deed. And we cannot say anything that we're able to say for our very self. But whenever we have deed, then we have the power to say anything to any investor that will come in the district to meet that waterfall.